Hello everybody, this is the 11th lecture of Learning English. Today we are taking comparisons. Form the comparative of one syllable adjective by adding ER and the superlative of one syllable adjective by adding EST. For example, great, greater, the greatest. Big, bigger, the biggest. With two syllable adjectives, that means a long adjective ending in OW and ER. Add ER or est. With adjectives ending in Y, add IER or IEST. For example, narrow, narrower, the narrowest. Clever, cleverer, the cleverest. Happy, happier, the happiest. If you notice here, we omitted the Y and substituted it by I, and we added ER or EST. Form the comparative of other two-syllable adjectives and longer adjectives by adding more before the adjective and the superlative by adding most before the adjective. Hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Interesting, more interesting, the most interesting. There are exceptions. Put more or most, not ER or EST, before one syllable adjective which are past participle. For example, tired, more tired, the most tired. Lost, more lost, the most lost. Less and least. Use less or least before any adjective. The number of syllables is not important. It's less expensive. It's the least expensive. Irregular adjectives. The adjectives good and bad are irregular and do not follow the rules above. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Modifiers. Modifiers help us to comment on the size of the difference in the comparison. To talk about a large difference, use a lot or much. To talk about a small difference, use a little or not much. China is a lot more populated than Norway. Italy is not much bigger than England. Us, adjective us. Use us plus adjective plus us to say there is no difference. This Coca-Cola advert is as good as this Pepsi advert. The twins are as tall as each other. Use not as plus adjective plus as to make the adjective weaker. I'm not as sure as you that this is a good idea. The film was not as good as I expected it would be. We come to the end of our lecture. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or any criticism, please write it in the comments. Thank you very much. That was Mr. Haidar Qasir with you.